enteric neurons and vagovagal pathways. Gastroileal reflex is when food enters the stomach, stretching of the stomach, the motility of the terminal part of the ileum is enhanced and ileocolic sphincter relaxes. This increases the entry of contents of ileum into the colon through ileocecal sphincter. This reflex is proposed to be mediated by vagus nerve. So next, coming to the large intestine. Large intestine, so it extends from ileocecal junction to anus. It consists of the parts of large intestine: cecum, colon, rectum and canal. Movements are sluggish, that is it happens 18 to 24 hours. So large intestine includes ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, sigmoid colon and anal canal. So we can see clearly in the picture. So colon constitutes about 90% of large intestine and consists of the parts we saw: ascending, transverse, descending and sigmoid colon. Anatomically, cecum is considered as part of the ascending colon. The length of the large intestine is about 1.5 meter. Small intestine receives chyme of meals sequentially with no mixing of individual meals, whereas large intestine contains mixture of chymes of many meals of 1 to 3 days. On average, the total transit time of chyme of a meal to large intestine as recorded from passage of radiopaque markers is about 30 to 48 hours. Okay. The transit time of chyme through different parts of the gut or in small intestine, it takes 4 hours, in ascending colon 6 hours, in transverse colon 8 hours, in descending and pelvic, that is sigmoid colon, 12 hours. From pelvic colon to rectum, the transit is very slow, which may even take 1 to 2 days. However, the transit time depends on the fiber content of the diet. Transit time is less in high fiber content, whereas it is high in low fiber content. Sometimes may even be reduced to 6 hours through the entire gut. So parts of large intestine: cecum is a blind sac. It consists of vermiform appendix. Colon we saw in previous picture. Rectum is a straight muscular tube. Anal canal, it consists of internal anal sphincter and external anal sphincter. Internal is lined by smooth muscle, whereas external is lined by skeletal muscle. So applied anatomy is hemorrhoids, that is vein enlargement or inflammation over the anal canal. So large intestine function or role is absorption of water, electrolytes and some vitamins. Bacteria break down undigested material. Formation and absorption of vitamin K, formation and excretion of waste products. So large intestine, we saw it mixes the movement and peristalsis occur but are much slow here. Okay, peristalsis occur only 2 to 3 times per day in large intestine. Coming to secretions of large intestine. So mucus provides protection. Parasympathetic stimulation increases the rate of goblet cell secretion. So exchange of bicarbonate ions from chloride ions and exchange of sodium ions from hydrogen ions through pumps. Bacterial action produce gases called flatus. So coming to movements in small intestine. Mass movements occurs after meals commonly. Local reflexes like gastrocolic reflex is initiated by stomach and duodenocolic is initiated by duodenum. So defecation reflex is distension of the rectal wall by feces. Defecation usually accompanied by voluntary movements to expel feces through abdominal cavity. Pressure caused by inspiration. So the major function of colon or storage of chyme that arrives small intestine and absorption of salt and water from the chyme. Therefore, colon receives about 2 liters of chyme per day from small intestine. Its output is only about 200 ml. The objectives of colonic contractions are to mix the chyme and circulate it across the mucosal surface of the colon so that maximum contact occurs between the chyme and mucosal epithelium. Also, the slow movement of the chyme occurs across the colon, which is about 5 to 10 centimeter per hour, that allows maximum absorption of salt and water. So, colonic movements include haustral contractions, propulsive movements, mass peristalsis, and colonic reflexes. So, haustral movements, nothing but mixing movements. So, it contains ring-like contractions about 2.5 centimeter of the circle divide the colon into pockets called haustra. So, this is the haustra. The contracting segment and receiving segment on either side remain in their respective state for long periods. So there is uniform repetition of the haustra along the colon. Net forward propulsion occurs when sequential migration of haustra occurs along the length of the bowel. These are contractions similar to that of segmentation. They help in mixing and circulation of chyme within the large intestine. So propulsive movements, that is mass movements. These are peristaltic movements